Chapter 7 Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen. A few lifetimes later, Panchen Sonam Drakpa was reborn in 1619 as someone who would have a huge impact on the future of Buddhism, Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen. The fourth Dalai Lama had passed into clear light in 1617. Then, there were two possible candidates as considered for his incarnation. When Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen was born, rainbows appeared and the earth shook to rejoice in the coming of this great being.
I remember who I was.
From a young age, Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen could clearly remember his previous lives.
You will now be known as Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen.
When he was 6 years old, the same age as you, Nicholas, Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen was recognized as a Tulku of Zimkang Goma, and he was given the name Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen by the Panchen Lama himself. He would naturally pick up and use ritual implements and was able to memorize any text given to him. By the age of 9, he was already writing commentaries and giving teachings. When they entered the monastery, Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen and Ngawang Loksang Gyatso went Drepon Nakpa under the tutelage of the fourth Panchen Lama, Lobsang Choki Gyeltsen. Eventually, Ngawang Lobsang Gyatso was recognized as the incarnation of the fourth Dalai Lama and enthroned as the fifth Dalai Lama. And Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen was recognized as the incarnation of Panchen Sonam Drakpa. Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen then stayed in the upper chamber, Zimkang Gongma, which has been originally set up by Panchen Sonam Drakpa. The fifth Dalai Lama stayed nearby in the lower chamber, Zimkang Ogma. Some people thought that the fifth Dalai Lama and Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen were rivals, but they were not. They were always studied and prayed together peacefully under the Guru, the Panchen Lama. However, the attendants of the fifth Dalai Lama became jealous of the popularity of Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen. Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen loved meditation and always performed retreats in hundreds of caves around Tibet.
Look! He can meditate for days without food and drink.
He is so attained. Many people would come to his cave to make offerings and seek his blessings. Oh no, how do they know I'm here? I just want to do my retreat and meditate alone. Please don't tell them where I'm going. I just want to complete my retreat. He had to keep moving from cave to cave because the fame of his great attainments spread like wildfire. He moved because he wanted privacy and disliked fame. He only wished to be in retreat and to meditate. Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen was widely respected and continuously sought after. Streams of people would come from far and wide just to pay their respects. Even Tibetan nobility, Chinese and Mongolian royalty often traveled huge distances to request blessings and teachings from him. Visiting Drakpa Gyeltsen? No respect for the Dalai Lama. He's gonna get it one day.
What are you whispering about?
Nothing, Your Holiness. Oh no, the Dalai Lama.
So many people at Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen's residence. Very good. I rejoice.
One day, Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen had an audience with the protector Nechong, who spoke to him through an oracle.
What's an oracle?
An oracle is a specially trained person who can channel beings from a different realm, such as Dharma Protectors.
Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen, are you ready? Do you remember your promise?
Ready for what? What promise?
You made a promise that you would arise as an uncommon protector. Eat this rice and you will remember.
Can you arise as a protector to protect Nagarjuna's teachings on the middle view as taught by Tsongkhapa? Will you promise to do this?
Yes, I will do it. I promise.
I remember now. But I have a problem. I don't have any anger in my mind stream. How can I arise as a wrathful Dharma Protector if I don't have any anger?
Don't worry. I'll help you.
Oh my! Tulku Drakpa Gyeltsen was so selfless. He even sacrificed himself to become a protector.